Today, I just want to give a quick one. I'm just motivated to do this. I just want to give a secret that you can just use now and start working immediately. And what is this secret all about? Is about Christmas melon plant. Hello, you are welcome back to our channel. My name is Lookman. I'm going to be giving you this recipe that you can do. I'm going to be doing this in like 3, 4, 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes, I'm done. The major ingredients you are going to be using in this recipe is the Christmas melon plant. I talk a lot about Christmas melon plant. It's the Christmas melon plant. And once you get the Christmas melon plant, what are you going to be doing with it? The second ingredient that you need is the local egg. We call it local fowl egg, not the Greek egg, the local one, But if you cannot get the local egg, then you can use the Greek. Any egg will do. And the local egg, local fowl egg, it can be local fowl egg, it can be duck egg, anyone. Just make sure it is local. But if you cannot get local, then you can use Greek. So what are you going to be doing with it? The Christmas melon plant, that is the plant itself, the fruit, you are going to be cutting it on the head. Cut it on the head, not small, cut it big. Make sure it is open. Then just use something to pack. You can use your spoon to pack the inside. Once you pack it, get the egg and put it inside. Just dip the egg inside the fruit. Once you dip it inside the fruit, that is the first part. The second part is that you are now going to be cooking the egg that you put inside the melon. You are not going to be using pot now. That melon, that Christmas melon with the egg inside is what you are going to put on your stove. You can use your stove, you can use your gas cooker, or you can use coal pot, as we call it here. You can use the local stove also. Just put it and let it. Don't be afraid. Just leave it on the stove. It won't get burnt. It won't get burnt. It will cook by itself. Yes, it will cook. This is one of the power of nature and spirituality. Just leave it, let it cook. If it cooks, because the melon will change color as if it's getting burnt, but it don't get burnt. So make sure it is there for like 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. It will have burned if you are using a very good gas cooker or a good stove. It will have got burned, but you will see it will change color. It will change color. So once you do that, just bring it down. Once you bring it down, let it cool a bit. Then remove the egg. If you remove the egg, then you peel it. Once you peel it, you are eating it. Just eat it. Just eat it once, and the thing will continue to work for the rest of your life. It will continue to work for the rest of your life. It's a secret, but you are getting it because you are a valued subscriber. Already we are over 80 subscribers, and we are still counting. Like I told you, we are going to millions. I want us to get there very fast. So if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. You are not paying anybody to do this. You are becoming a member of the family, and you get update like this. This is an update. You get update like this once in. I do this often. You get updates, and when we upload any good videos, you'll be the first to be notified. So if you have not subscribed, it is free. Click on the subscribe button hit on the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.